Is that a Roadrunner? But before the Neo, United 739, old paint. Where are we at, Andy? Rio, Del Rio, something? Rio something pathway off 40th Street, now south side of Phoenix, Sky Harbor. And we're in the COVID area, so we take what we can get these days. Not a lot of wide bodies anymore. 739. Off to God knows where. I didn't look. Got west opposite here at Phoenix for the last 2 days, which is unusual in my experience, but maybe it's more normal. You can see the big holes. Oh, big shake, sorry. I am human tripod. Gosh, the Neos are very quiet, aren't they? Up and away. See you, Roadrunner. Alright, move down the pathway a little bit. We're on the southwest side of the airport, obviously. Oh, nice. And welcome to Phoenix. A little bit closer, you got the Copperheads over there. Air National Guard refueling wing, I believe. I'll have to double check that. And I noticed what looked like airport ops checking the perimeter. Oh, we're getting something over here. Is that an American? No, that's a United. Yep, United Continental. Without delay, we're taking off. Up into the skyline. Cloudless sunset tonight. Jet Suite X Embraer 135. JSX. Makes sense. In from Las Vegas. It's Friday night. Shouldn't you be going to Vegas? And then southwest. Immediately after Jet Suite X. Finally, a couple southwest getting ready to go. I didn't check where it's going to, unfortunately. Sorry. Doesn't really matter. So the last departure was headed to Milwaukee. This Southwest is headed to San Jose. Another 738. Wearing the hot dog on a stick, as most of them do these days. Haven't seen anything special painted here in Phoenix for a couple days now. Phoenicians bound for San Jose, or the San Joseans bound for home. What's somebody from San Jose called? San Josian? I don't know. Lovely. We got an American 738. Got excited for a minute. I thought it might have been a Max, since I think American's the only people putting the Max back up in America right now, but it was not. But it's coming to the south, which is a surprise. So I'll take it. Jet Suite X with a quick turn, perhaps. Loaded up some folks for Vegas. I'll check the phone here in a minute. I'm guessing that's the same one that just landed like 10 minutes ago, but maybe not. That'd be a really quick turn. Probable finale only because it is getting dark and the sun's going down, and definitely not because this is anything special. American 738, beautiful light. Sunset is beautiful, look at that. And some people even bring music for everyone to enjoy. Isn't that nice? Rio Salado Parkway.